In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Squarespace to Mailchimp. By the end, you'll have your website talking to your email marketing platform, so new signups and site activity flow right into your audience. All you need is an active Mailchimp account and access to your Squarespace site with the right permissions. Start by heading to Mailchimp.com and signing in. Once you're on your dashboard, you're in the right place. If you're using a different tab in Mailchimp, that's fine. Just make sure you're in the main account view so you can find the integration tools easily. A quick tip before we continue. If you manage multiple brands, double check you're in the correct Mailchimp account to avoid connecting the wrong site. Next, look for the integration section inside Mailchimp. Depending on your layout, you might see it in the top navigation or in your account menu. This is the area where Mailchimp lists all the apps and website platforms it connects with. Click into Integrations to open the directory. Give it a moment to load. It contains a lot of options. In the Integrations directory, use the search bar and type Squarespace. Spelling matters here, so type it as one word. As you type, Mailchimp will filter the results to show the official Squarespace integration. If nothing appears at first, clear the search and try again. Sometimes the list needs a second to update. When you see the Squarespace integration tile, click on it to open the details. This is the official connector that lets Mailchimp sync site data and collect contacts from your Squarespace forms and pop-ups. Opening the tile gives you a quick overview of what the integration does, along with any notes from Mailchimp about features and compatibility. On the Squarespace integration page, click Learn More. This takes you to the full description with guidance from Mailchimp. Here you'll typically see a prompt or button to begin the connection process. Review the brief summary so you know what will be shared, then proceed. It's helpful to keep your Squarespace login handy so you can move through the next step without interruption. When prompted, sign into your Squarespace account. Use an account with the proper role for the site you're connecting. If you manage multiple websites, make sure you select the correct one during the prompt. Approve the permissions so Squarespace can connect with Mailchimp. After a moment, you should see confirmation in Mailchimp that your site is connected. That's it. Your Squarespace site is now linked to Mailchimp, and you're ready to capture subscribers and sync data seamlessly.